Imagine a place in space where stars are packed so tightly that the night sky would shine thousands of times brighter than anything we've ever seen. But what happens if you ask an AI what it thinks about these ancient globular clusters? I did exactly that. And the answer was far more fascinating than I expected. Hey everyone, today I'm running an experiment. What happens if you directly ask GPT what it thinks about globular clusters? How deep can AI really go when analyzing one of the oldest structures in our galaxy? So I asked a simple but open-ended question. What do you think about globular clusters of ancient stars?
Globular clusters are some of the oldest structures in the universe. Many of their stars are 10 to 13 billion years old, almost as old as the galaxy itself. What fascinates me most is their density. Near the core, the space between stars may be less than 1 trillion kilometers, practically a cosmic traffic jam. They are like living archives of the universe's history.
The AI is absolutely right. Globular clusters really are archives. Most of their stars formed around the same time, and today, they're almost as old as the universe itself. Astronomers study these clusters to understand what the galaxy looked like in its very early days. But here's something most people don't know. Stars in these clusters can actually collide. Yes, physically collide, like cars in a cosmic traffic jam. And they create rare objects called blue stragglers. The AI also picked up on this.
In the dense environment of globular clusters, direct stellar collisions can occur. These collisions can create unusual, hotter, seemingly younger stars known as blue stragglers. The dynamics of the cluster also cause heavier objects, such as neutron stars, to sink toward the center. Meanwhile, lighter stars are pushed outward into the cluster's outskirts.
What the AI described is almost like life in a megacity. Heavy residents drift toward downtown, while lighter ones move to the suburbs. But in space, this process takes billions of years. Globular clusters are perfect laboratories for studying gravitational balance. But here's the big mystery. Could some globular clusters hide black holes, either single ones or pairs? And what did the AI say about that?
There is evidence that the centers of some globular clusters may contain intermediate mass black holes. These objects can be hundreds or thousands of times the mass of Sun. Their presence is inferred by observing how nearby stars accelerate around an invisible center. If confirmed, globular clusters could help explain the origins of supermassive black holes at galactic cores.
That's exactly right. This is one of the hottest topics in astrophysics today. If globular clusters do harbor these black holes, it could completely reshape our understanding of how galaxies evolve. It might be the missing piece of the puzzle. But here's something I personally asked the AI. What would the sky look like if we lived on a planet inside one of these clusters? The AI gave a stunning answer.
If you lived on a planet inside a globular cluster, your night sky would be bright enough to read a book without any lamp. Thousands of stars would surround you in every direction. There would be no real darkness, only a constant golden glow.
What I love about this experiment is that AI can take incredibly complex ideas and express them clearly. Globular clusters are magnificent, ancient, mysterious structures. And even today, new secrets keep emerging from them. If you want a follow-up, I can ask AI what it thinks about nebulae, supernovae, or even dark matter. Drop your ideas in the comments. And if you enjoyed this format, hit the like button, and I'll see you among the stars.